ABC Speaking Academy. Today let's have a speaking practice using daily. Use English sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow me.
Follow me.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
Speak loudly.
Speak loudly.
Don't be angry. Don't be angry.
Don't be angry.
Don't pull.
Don't pull.
Do it fast.
Do it fast.
Be careful.
Be careful.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Take a sip.
Take a sip.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Come here.
Come here.
Go there.
Go there.
Stay inside.
Stay inside.
Stop running.
Stop running.
Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Look here.
Look here.
Watch this.
Watch this.
Don't cry.
Don't cry.
Smile, please.
Smile, please.
Be happy.
Be happy.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Try again.
Try again.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Be polite.
Be polite.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
Ask nicely.
Ask nicely.
Be honest.
Be honest.
Use a tissue.
Use a tissue.
Follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
Respect others.
Respect others.
Tie your hair.
Tie your hair.
Cross the street.
Cross the street.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Be patient.
Be patient.
Wait your turn.
Wait your turn.
Don't tears.
Don't tears.
Help with chores.
Help with chores.
Apologize if wrong.
Apologize if wrong.
Recycle properly.
Recycle properly.
Give me.
Give me.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Do it fast.
Do it fast.
Clean it.
Clean it.